In this captivating video, we explore the concept of verisimilitude and its significance in the world of fiction. Verisimilitude is a term used to describe the quality of appearing to be true or real within a fictional narrative. It is the art of creating a story or setting that feels authentic and believable, even if it is entirely made up. Imagine reading a novel set in a medieval fantasy world with intricate political intrigue and fantastical creatures. Despite its fictional nature, the well-crafted world-building, consistent character motivations, and logical plot developments give it a sense of verisimilitude that immerses readers in the story. Throughout the history of literature, authors have mastered the art of verisimilitude, transporting readers to worlds that resonate with authenticity. From classic works like Pride and Prejudice to modern bestsellers like Harry Potter, verisimilitude plays a crucial role in captivating audiences and making fictional stories relatable. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of verisimilitude, exploring techniques used by authors to weave compelling narratives that leave a lasting impact. Discover how verisimilitude enhances our reading experience and deepens our connection to fictional worlds. Unlock the secrets behind crafting stories that blur the lines between reality and imagination, and learn how this literary device continues to shape the landscape of fiction as we know it.